Alright, so welcome back to Solar Garage. I'm actually recording this on my phone. The intro that I had first made got, the audio got messed up, so I'm having to redo it. Like I said on the previous clip, this video is about us rewiring the JDM headlights on Project Atom. Because pretty much what I had going on is when I would turn on my lights, say I was driving after work, and try to use my turn signals. Well, when I would turn on my lights, pretty much my turn signals would come on, so it just wouldn't do anything when I did turn on my turn signals. At night, they would work if I didn't have my lights on. So we knew something wasn't right. But you'll see how we did that. I have finally ordered a new microphone to hopefully get that problem fixed. Like I mentioned before, it is a common issue with that Rode microphone. Also, I have ordered the first mod for the S2000. Unfortunately, it is on back order from Evasive. They said about a month, so not too bad. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and there you go.
So
I'll show you guys.
We had seen the video before that said just incorrectly to splice the negatives together, and that was not right. So here's green to green, with the yellow stripe.
Well, yeah, your ground's ground, pretty much.
Yeah, that's, no, actually,
Down the ground?
that actually happens to be the positive.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of weird. And this is the blinker.
Hold on,
And
get
that's
on your side.
It seems like I could have it wrong. I believe this is the blinker, and this is the ground.
Ah, okay.
I mean, I'm not exactly sure why they did it that way, but that's the way it tests.
Alright, so the battery on the camera died. I'll charge that up in a bit. But here's another closer look at how we got this wired now just to work. So, like we were saying, this black wire right here is connected to our original black wire. This other one right underneath it is going to our red with a black stripe wire, and then our green with yellow stripe wires are both going to each other. So
Yeah, do you want to see which one is?
So I went to turn on the turn signal on this side, and it's actually working. But as I've shown you guys before, this one came with some spliced wires already. So instead of your two black and your green with the yellow stripe coming out of this connector, we only have one black and this little contraption here. So it looks like we got this side right. We just had the other side wrong, which was causing the whole system to not work. So now at night I should be able to use my turn signals.
Important.
Yes, it is. I still never quite figured out what this other third bulb down here is. If anybody has an idea,
or knows what it is, let me know in the comments down below. That'd definitely be cool to find out. So we're working on Project Adam, and I got the bumper off. Got all the rest of the parts I need to finish up the grill. There's all the part numbers. So I'm gonna try to finish putting all the necessary screws, finally get the Honda badge on, and then we'll be right back. So finally got all the remaining screws on. Got the Honda emblem on as well. It doesn't fall off anymore. So just a little quick video. Hopefully it helps. Like I said, hopefully the headlight wiring information helps you guys out, because like I said, we had some difficulty figuring out ourselves. Just like I said, a little short video. Should be back next week with some really big stuff though for Project Adam, and I believe I have figured out what piece I want to do first on the S2000, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you guys aren't subscribed, please do subscribe. It helps a lot. We are actually super close to 100. I think we're like at 74, 75 subscribers. I'm sorry for all the sweat. It is super humid. It's summer in the south. Another thing, thanks again for the support on the intro to Project Kuzuri. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. Like one of my most watched videos, apart from like the MacBook video that I did a couple years ago, which is freaking crazy. And thanks to the new subscribers as well. Like I said, if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe. Drop some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and I will see you guys on the next one.